Hey guys, as you can see, I'm in the car, and today I'm actually heading to Princeton because I'm going to be teaching classes at Princeton Splash. I've talked about Splash before in some of my other videos, but just like a really quick recap, Splash is this really awesome 1-day or 2-day event over the weekend that a lot of colleges participate in, and basically what happens is they get a bunch of student teachers to come and teach a bunch of different cool subjects, like everything from ultimate frisbee to bird watching to like principles of leadership, and I'm teaching 2 classes, one on creative writing and one on how to write a Common App essay, and it's gonna be a good time. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. I'm from Columbia, but I grew up in New Jersey and went to a lot of Princeton Splashes when I was in high school, so I wanted to come back, say hi to the new generation, so to speak, and talk to myself. So hopefully you can all see and hear me okay. So what we're going to do is we're just going to introduce ourselves, go around and say our names. Like I said, obviously I'm Krystle. In addition to being a creative writing major at Columbia, I also have my own company where I do a lot of tutoring, writing mentorship, even like college counseling, academic consulting. So you guys are all always free to reach out to me if you need any help. I'll send you all an email afterwards so you can get in touch with me and just ask any questions you guys have.
I never thought of this before. We are part of the Illuminati. Wait, my lessons are not What? My life is completely different. I don't know. I just my life is completely different now.
This is a stunning example of plot twist.
She got in a car crash and his son died in the crash, but she doesn't accept it and she keeps seeing him and she thinks he's still alive, and she plans on blowing up the train because she's insane.
I'm interested in this like deep-seated hatred of birds that where's that come from. So much potential with this character. Love it. I think we've learned a lot today, and what we've learned is that this section has a fascination with birds, which like, that's valid, you guys. Like, we like birds. That's what we like in books, birds. Yeah. We'll add it to this is random birds. Excellent job, everyone. This is all very interesting. And now, actually, we're going to take a momentary departure from birds. Just momentary. How good we do birds. And I'm going to read to you guys the very beginning, just the beginning paragraph, which is like 4 sentences from the short story The Rememberer by Amy Bender.
So, what do you want out of the beginning? Do you feel like this beginning actually helped us start off? Yeah.
So I'm just in the middle of my 2 classes, bringing lunch back. Gonna eat, and then I have another creative writing class, and then I get started with my college application essay classes, so it's gonna be a full day.
just finished my creative writing class and now I have to hurry across campus to my other class, so wish me luck. I only have like 10 minutes to get there. I need to be there at 7, so.
The essay is really good for is that it can get you through the door. Like grades and test scores, you have to have them, but they're not enough on your own to get someone into college. Anecdotes are really great ways for them to get to know like what you do on a daily basis, what you're actually like when you're not trying to spiff yourself up and like give yourself a nice shiny coating for your college jobs. Who are you when you're just living your life? I read a lot of like college application essays. It helped a lot of people write their college application essays. And for me, and for the admission boxes, what really stands out is that a high school student actually has really strong writing abilities. Like even down to grammar and punctuation and everything. Grammar is like the dry, boring, like middle child of the academic subjects in general, but I promise it is so worth it because like if your writing itself, just like the technicality of it is really like on point, it makes a difference. Like it makes such a difference, I promise. One thing that pretty much all colleges have in common is that when they read your application essay, you want them to advocate for you. You can start with an anecdote that's like a really small, granular moment in your life. Yeah, it can be with a big award or something like that. Like that's fine. If you had like a big competition, like the Big Day, something like that, that's fine too. Or it can be as tiny as Cisco. And then from there, you can stand outwards and relate it to how you are now. How does this small, maybe seemingly insignificant anecdote relate to the person that you are today and the other events in your life? And then finally, how does it relate to who you will be on a college campus and what you'll bring to the table? Because every college wants to know that. They want to have that question answered.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I just taught for 6 straight hours. I'm parked outside, gonna get some sushi now. Hopefully, congratulations for a job well done, fingers crossed. Oh my god, I'm tired like you can't believe, but also it was really fun. I'm so glad that I did it, and hopefully I'll be able to do it again next year and see some of you guys, my subscribers at Princeton Splash. You guys should definitely come next year. Hopefully I'll be able to be here, and I would love to meet you guys, so yeah, totally drop by. Look who I came across outside the sushi place. So I just finished eating, and next up on the agenda is I'm going to go see my dear friend Natalia, who I met at the Telluride Association summer program, which I have lots of other videos about, and she's going to be performing in a Princeton production of Richard III by Shakespeare, since she's a Princeton University student, and she's playing the part of Margaret, and it actually got like really good reviews, and I'm so proud of her, and I can't wait.
By St. Paul, I will not die until I see the same. Catesby looked at me down. The rest that love me, rise and follow me. But God be thanked, you have no need of me. The royal tree hath left us royal fruit. On him I lay what you would lay on me, the right and fortune of his happy stars, which God defend that I should bring from him. Advance our standards, set upon our foes. Our ancient word of courage, fair St. George, inspire us with spleen of fiery dragon. Upon them, victory sits on our helms.